To create a new Photoshop file, first click the Start button provided, then click the All Apps option, then Adobe Photoshop 7.0 is taken, then the Adobe Photoshop window opens up. You can see the toolbox, then application bar, menu bar, etc. here. From the menu bar, choose the File menu, choose the New option, specify the name as sample. Then you can also set the width and height, then resolution, then color mode, and after that the background contents, etc. Width is specified as 800 pixels. Height is also specified as 600 pixels. Then you can look at the resolution. What is the resolution given there? Choose the color mode. For example, RGB color. You can take RGB color. After that, you can choose the resolution unit as pixels per centimeter or pixels per unit, inches. Okay, pixels per inches or pixels per centimeter. Then after that, select a background content. It is white background color or transparent option. So click the OK button. Now you got the document window. So in this document window you can draw or type anything using the tools provided in the toolbox. Now let's open an image. From the file menu, open option, then select an image file and just click the open option. This is another document window. This can be minimized, maximized, or it can be closed also. So now we have two document windows. One is a blank window and another one is an image window. Now select a text tool from here in the toolbox. Now you can type in the document window. After that, you can use a move tool that is provided in the first line of the toolbox. The second option, that is move tool. Using this move tool, you can click and drag an image to the current window. Now let's look at the options bar. Here, options bar is context sensitive. That means it can change its options based on the selected tool. Here the options bar does not contain any options. For this, select the brush tool and you can see different options provided in the options bar. After that, you can close this window. Before it, you have to save the file. In order to save the file, what you have to do? Choose the file menu, then save option, and specify the file name and format from here. File name is already given, sample. Another file format can be chosen, then click the OK button, that is the save button here, or you can press the enter key also.